skip the first 5 chains from the hook. Yarn over twice and insert your hook in the 6th chain under the back loop. Draw the yarn through 2 loops on the hook. You should now see 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, skip 2 chains and insert your hook in the 3rd chain under the back loop. Work half closed double crochet stitches. Yarn over and draw it through the first 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw it through the next 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over for the 3rd time and draw it through the final 2 loops on the hook. Chain 2 stitches, yarn over and insert your hook under top loops of 2 double crochet. Catch the yarn and work 1 double crochet. Repeat the preceding steps.